I am Chinmay Chugga and I study in class 6. I study in Bisham Shastri Nagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. Today I am going to tell you about artificial intelligence. So here I go. So firstly we should know what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the theory of development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and transition between languages. Advantages of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence helps us in reducing the error and the chance of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is a possibility. It is applied in various studies such as exploration of space. Intelligent robots are fed with information and are sent to explore space. Since they are machines with metal bodies, they are more resistant and have greater ability to endure space and hostile atmosphere. So you know that there are self cars which drive on their own. These are and Alexa, which is sale now, which is at sale now. So these are examples of artificial intelligence which are advantages. So here is a video of artificial intelligence.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Alexa, what's India's cricket score?
Australia beat India by 50 runs. Alexa, please add tissues to the shopping list. I've added tissues.
Very funny.
Introducing Amazon Echo. Sports updates, music and more. Just ask.
So you see the advantage of artificial intelligence, which is Alexa, in this video. So this is this advantage of artificial intelligence. Replacement of human with machines can lead to large-scale unemployment. Unemployment is a socially undesirable phenomenon. People with nothing to do can lead to destructive use of their creative minds. Unlike humans, artificial intelligence cannot be improved by experience. With the time, it can lead to wear and tear. It stores a lot of data, but the way it can be accessed and used in very different from human intelligence. Machines are unable to alter their responses to change environments. We are constantly bombarded by the question whether it is really exciting to replace humans with machines. They can be used in destructive work also. You also know. So this is a video of disadvantage of artificial intelligence.
We have something much bigger. Your kids probably have one of these.
It's taking the time though.
Not quite. Autopilot? No. That skill is all AI. It's flying itself. Its processor can react 100 times faster than a human. The stochastic motion is an anti-sniper feature. Just like any mobile device these days, it It has cameras and sensors, and just like your phones and social media apps, it does facial recognition. Inside here is 3 grams of sheet explosive. This is how it works. Did you see that? That little bang is enough to penetrate the skull and destroy the contents. That is an airstrike of surgical precision. It's one of a range of products. Trained as a team, they can penetrate buildings, cars, trains, evade people, bullets, pretty much any countermeasure. They cannot be stopped. Now, I said this was big. Why? Because we are thinking big. Watch. A $25 million order now buys this. Enough to kill half a city. The bad half. Nuclear is obsolete. Take out your entire enemy, virtually risk-free. Just characterize him, release the swarm, and rest easy.
So this was the video. You have seen the disadvantage of artificial intelligence. So let us see the future. Artificial intelligence can solve climate change. They can be as our friends. They can improve elder care and cyborg technology. For example, someone's limbs are cut. So we can put artificial limbs which are made by artificial intelligence. They can also contact with our brain. So this is known as cyborg technology. So AI can help in catching bias algorithms. It is the boldest effort that tool can detect unfairness. Microsoft is working on it. Wow, it's good. So that's all from my side. Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.